Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my filming setup for how I film my YouTube videos and watercolor courses. So I'll just give you a quick little tour of my desk and show you how I suspend my camera over my artwork, what type of camera I use, and what type of lighting I use. So I'm going to show you my painting setup for filming. This is my desk, my little chair here, and I have two booms, if you will. They're actually for microphones, and they clamp onto the desk. And then I've bought this sort of ball joint attachment to put on. So I have two of them for switching camera angles. This is my main one, and this is my Canon DSLR camera. And this is how I film most of my videos, and it swings around and it lowers. I'm just filming on my phone right now, so this is my main camera. And then I have some lights. I have one of these lights that is for like, I think it's for seasonal affective disorder. Just I get a little bit glum in the winter, and it's just a really bright little light that lights up that corner. I got that off Amazon. And then these lights clip on at the back of my desk, you can see there. And then there's two ring lights on each of them. And these I think are more for like selfies. This is supposed to be a clip for your phone. I don't really use it for that. So I've got two on each side of my workspace. And then I don't actually have the overhead light on in this room right now because it gives off too much of a yellow light. So usually I just have the room dark with these lights on, and that offers really good lighting for my videos. And other than that, I just have an SD card in my camera, and then I just pop this into my computer and unload all my video files, and then I put them into my video editing program. And one other thing I have down on the floor here is my battery charger for the camera with an extra battery, because filming does use the battery up a lot. So I have two batteries to switch out from, so I don't have to stop filming when my battery runs out. I also have two memory cards, so I can switch those out as well, because they get full after a while of filming. And you can see again here with the Rode boom arm, it just clicks on and screws on below of my table. And that is pretty much it. It's my little space, doesn't take up a lot of room. It's just a little table I got from Yisk. And that's it for this video. I hope that this is helpful if you wanted to start filming your own videos, and leave any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll see you next week.